Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make silica gel packets. First, gather your materials. You'll need bulk silica gel beads, which you can often find online or at craft stores. Next, select a breathable fabric like muslin or non-woven tea bags for your packets. Finally, prepare a baking sheet and an oven, as heat is crucial for activating the gel. This simple process helps protect your valuables from moisture. Once you have your beads, it's time to activate them. Spread the silica gel in a single, thin layer on a baking sheet. Place it in an oven preheated to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beads are dry and, if using indicating gel, have changed to their active color. Let them cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Now let's create the packets. Carefully spoon the cooled silica gel beads into your chosen fabric pouches. A small funnel can make this much easier. Fill them to a comfortable level, ensuring they are not overstuffed. Then, securely seal each packet, either by sewing, tying, or using a heat sealer, depending on your fabric choice. Place these packets wherever you need moisture control. Silica gel packets are reusable. When they become saturated, simply reactivate them by baking them in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, just as you did initially. This process can be repeated many times, making them a sustainable solution. Store any unused or freshly recharged packets in an airtight container to maintain their effectiveness. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.